I believe that when a student is struggling with their mental health, that they feel quite isolated and unsupported. There's times when they don't feel like anyone understands them, and they can start to internalize all of those emotions.
I think it can feel very lonely and isolating, and they feel like they have to mask or hold in a lot of those emotions that they're feeling. So I think being able to have someone there is very important for them.
To get into school-based services, it comes from a counselor's referral. From there, it goes into a system where my boss and myself look and analyze to make sure it's appropriateness for the services. After that, our central access team, they will reach out to the parents, and from there they can schedule an intake and get them into services. However, the parents can also call Cummins, and we can go from that basis as well. During a typical therapy session, we spend our time processing emotions, thoughts, feelings, their actions, anything like that. What this may look like is a trigger that they've had, and now we're going to analyze what that even looks like, what happened in that moment, how did they feel it, and what actions came after it, so that we can see if we can do better the next time or how we can handle things from there.
During a typical skill session, we work on a variety of different skills depending on what it is that they're struggling with, what needs they have, their diagnosis. So for an example, some anxiety skills that I love to work on would be deep breathing, mindfulness, five senses, using their five senses to help ground them in the present moment. We do a lot of work on challenging thoughts in sessions.
One of the most rewarding parts of our job and the positive outcomes that we see is the confidence that's built and relationship improvements. So many students come into our office feeling defeated and overwhelmed with everything, and watching them build themselves back up into these adults is an amazing thing to see and to witness.
I had a student that I worked with throughout all of high school, and she did not have a lot of support at home, and she was put down a lot, did not have a lot of confidence in herself. And one of the biggest things that I tried to do was to just shine light on all of her gifts that she had and make her, build that confidence, make her feel good about herself, and that she can go after all the things that she has wanted to do. And after she graduated, she told me how much, she appreciated that, and we were able to get her into college classes online, and she's going after the career that she wants to. One of the favorite things about my job is getting to work and explore and see so many different personalities, so many different gifts and talents. It's challenged me in my own ways to learn how to communicate with kids in the way that they best receive it.
I love watching them just become who they are and be able to be an adult and cope through the challenges that they have, and know that they can overcome so many different things.